Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting the monitor and setting its native resolution and refresh rate. This ensures sharp text and smooth motion. Once done, position the screen so the top is at eye level and tilt slightly back for minimal glare. Make sure to load or create an sRGB or custom color profile so colors stay accurate. These steps prevent eye strain and preserve workspace layout, and they get you ready to configure software scaling and window management next. Now you'll arrange how windows and apps use the extra horizontal space. Enable OS scaling that keeps UI elements legible, then test common values like 100% or 125% to see what fits. Next, set up split layouts, 2 or 3 app panes, so you can multitask without overlapping. Use keyboard shortcuts to snap quickly. Make sure GPU scaling and per-app DPI are configured for legacy programs, because inconsistent scaling causes blurry text. Once aligned, workflows finish by dialing in color temperature and contrast to reduce fatigue. For HDR or high-contrast content, enable local dimming if available. Save your preferred preset so you can return after updates or if someone else changes settings. If something goes wrong, flicker, artifacts, or no signal, swap the cable, try another input port, and update GPU and monitor firmware. These steps resolve most issues. If that fails, reset to factory defaults and retest.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.